Friday, I thought one more day of welding, this is done, and here we are Sunday, and I've welded that back tab on, and that tab I've made a start welding on. Just to do stuff weld takes time, so I like that I've welded this end cap on, like I did for some of the shoe shelves. I've got a huge, great fillet weld, mostly for the practice, and then I've got one down here that looks quite pretty, but this I've just sort of ground back. The problem I've got now is that when that's down, this kind of rocks and that doesn't quite align. So there's tweaking to do before I carry on welding that. In terms of a strategy, the idea is to get that one done, attach it to the front cross member and do this little piece as well, and then I can work on getting this engine mount all finished. And it's only when I join that piece with the other piece do I then need the engine out. And the decision is I'm going to get a proper chain hoist and put a beam between that brick pillar across the top to there. And for this engine it only needs to be a very light piece of wood. Maybe in time it would be a piece of steel. It needs to be removable, or otherwise I'm going to struggle to get the ladder out. So that's a little project all itself. But it's progress. Progress thinking about things, and I am happy with that as a job.